On the bottom of my Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 lows, I have Drip Grip, the best sole protector on the market. When I wear my cool grays, I'm going to be putting Drip Grip on the bottoms to keep these icy and make them last a lot longer. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description, check out Drip Grip, and make sure you guys use my discount code to save money on your order. Thank you, Drip Grip, for sponsoring today's video. We're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray 1 month early. I bought these early from the GOAT app, and I'm very excited to see this sneaker. This sneaker is going to be one of the craziest releases of the entire year. I'm very excited for this sneaker to release. We have the box, the Cool Gray Jordan 11 box. This box is very similar to what we've been getting. Take a look at the Concord box that released a few years ago, just in cool gray this time. Very, very nice. Size 10.5. Open up the box. I'm very excited for this release. These are fire. In case you guys haven't noticed, I have moved. New background, new videos coming. I'm going to do an apartment tour as well as a full sneaker collection and room setup, all of that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hit that thumbs up if you guys are excited for this sneaker right here. Wow. Here they are. The Air Jordan 11 2021 Cool Gray. Wow. These are fire. Definitely a must-have for me in my personal sneaker collection. These will be, this pair right here, I will be keeping. This is actually going to be a gift to me from my fiance a little bit early. I'm very excited for the Cool Grays man to release and try to pick up more pairs when they do release. Got the GOAT card sticker and the authenticity as well. The official colorway on the box is medium gray, multicolor, and multi. Take a look at that box label. If you guys get this video up to an easy 500 likes, I'm going to do a real versus fake video on the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the Cool Gray Air Jordan 11s. Are they a cop? Are they a drop for you? Will you be picking up one pair, multiple pairs, or just passing altogether on the sneaker? Leave a comment down below, more family, let me know. Me personally, like I said, easily a cop. I'll be keeping this pair and trying to pick up more pairs. They're definitely a must. As far as the release, this is going to be a crazy release. Every year we get the Jordan 11. Every year the Jordan 11 sells out and winds up being one of the craziest releases of the entire year. The Cool Gray Jordan 11 is very sentimental to me. It's one of the sneakers that actually got me into sneakers. The sneaker last released in 2010. I did own that pair multiple times. I wound up, of course, unfortunately, on selling them. Couldn't afford to ever really keep them until now. As far as sizing goes on the Cool Grays, I do recommend going true to size. All Jordan 11s do fit true to size, so go with your true normal size on the Cool Grays and you'll be good to go. This sneaker is very easy to wear, very easy to throw on. They're kind of comfortable, not really. You got to break them in. Trust me, break in your Jordan 11s and then they will get more and more comfortable. I'm very happy with this sneaker. The upper is not your traditional upper. It is a nubuck or suede upper. The Cool Grays, that's how they are. They do not have the ballistic mesh like most Jordan 11s do, like your Breads, your Space Jams, your Concords. These have that suede, nubuck suede upper all around the shoe. No leather on the back. It is that nubuck suede as well, and as well as the upper. White laces as well, and then the same material on the tongue. No mesh is used on the Cool Gray Jordan 11 like it was back in 2001 and like it is back in 2010 as well. Back again in the same form. No mesh on the Cool Grays. For those of you wondering, that is a Jumpman inside of the insole, not a Nike Air, which is a little disappointing, but not a big deal at the end of the day. The Cool Grays are back. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this early look at the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. 2010 all the way to now, 2021, 11 years. We got the Cool Gray Jordan 11 Retro. This is going to be one of those sneakers that everybody goes for. Guys, do not sleep on this release. They're not going to be easy. They're going to be a lot of pairs, a lot of stock. They're not going to be a walk in the park to cop. They're going to be very, very tough because demand is going to be so high. Yes, supply is going to be high. There's probably going to be over 1 million pairs, but they're going to sell out. They're going to fly, and they're going to have some resale value. I will do a full video talking about resale, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe for that as well. Let me know what you guys think about the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray that's dropping here in 2021. December 11th. Retail is $220 on this pair, so make sure you guys go ahead and cop the Cool Gray Jordan 11 when they release. Thank you, GOAT, for having legit pairs nice and early for me to go ahead and cop. I spent a pretty penny on this, so make sure you guys please hit that thumbs up for me. I spent a good amount of money on these early, so make sure you guys please hit that thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And let me know if you guys want me to do a Cool Gray Jordan 11 giveaway. Maybe we'll run up a giveaway. Let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you guys subscribe and let me know what you guys think about the Cool Grays. Quick early look. More content on the way with the Cool Grays. We'll talk about resale, and I have a bunch of content regarding me moving. Got a bunch of content on the way. And another sneaker I'm going to be selling for just $1. We're going to do it all over again with some other sneakers. If you guys have not seen that video, I sold Jordan 1s for just $1. I'll leave it linked down below and up above. Make sure you guys go check that out. Cool Gray Jordan 11s. Definitely a must cop. Clean. I love them. I'm so happy they're back here in 2021. Beautiful. Beautiful sneaker. I'm so happy they're back. Icy outsole. That carbon fiber, man. These are just so nice. One thing I do want to tell you guys real quick before you guys click off. Shoe Tree. Very, very unfortunate, man, what they've done here. Where is the plastic Shoe Tree, Jordan Brand? What are you doing with this? In the Jordan 11? No. We need that plastic. You gave it to us for so many years, and now they stopped. This is disappointment. This is the only disappointment I have in the entire shoe. Other than that, clean shoe. I love them, and I can't wait to rock them. Let me know what you guys think about the Cool Grays down below in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.